Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to remove someone from your space in Pencil Spaces. If I wanted to uninvite a previously invited participant from my space, I would select Invite at the top right corner of my screen. I would find the participant I wished to uninvite. So we're going to be uninviting Paulina. I would select the arrow beside her status, which is participant, and I would click Remove, save the changes. Paulina would no longer have a valid invitation to my space. When a participant is uninvited or removed from a space, this change is not permanent. They can be reinvited. I'm going to do so by clicking the Invite button, the top right corner of my screen, typing in the name of the participant I wish to reinvite, and sending that invitation. And she's found the link and is entering the space. If I wanted to kick her out of the space, I would select the arrow beside participant, select remove, and save the changes. Paulina will be automatically removed from the space. Now we're going to get the point of view of the revoked participant. These changes, however, are not permanent. If I wanted to re-invite Paulina to the space, I can click Invite, search up Paulina by name, and send her an invitation. As you can see, Paulina has found her way to our space again. I hope you found today's tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to click the Help button at the top right corner of your screen.